In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reflection in Luminar NEO. We're going to build a realistic reflection, like a water or mirror effect, using layers and simple transforms. There isn't a one-click reflection slider for this, so we'll construct it in a way that looks convincing and controllable. Start by opening the photo you want to enhance in Luminar NEO. This technique works best with scenes that naturally invite a reflection. Think lakes, calm water, shiny floors, or mirror-like surfaces. The more believable the setting, the more seamless the result will feel. Next, we'll create the reflection layer. In the Layers panel, click the plus icon and choose Add New Image Layer. Select the same photo again. This places a copy above your original, and this upper layer will become the reflection we'll shape and blend. With that top layer selected, go to Layer Properties and choose Flip Vertical. Flipping vertically turns the image upside down, which is exactly how real reflections behave. The sky and background will now appear to sit below, ready to read as a mirrored surface. Now position the reflection. Drag the flipped layer downward until the horizon or key dividing line aligns with the waterline or reflective surface in your base image. Take your time here. Small misalignments can break the illusion. If it helps, temporarily lower the opacity to around 70 to 90% so you can see through the top layer while you line things up, then fine-tune the position. With the flipped layer still active, it's time to remove anything that shouldn't reflect. Click Masking and choose Brush. Use a soft brush and carefully paint away areas above the water or beyond the reflective surface. Foreground elements like rocks, people, or trees that don't belong in the mirror. Feather your brush and adjust its size as you go so the transition into the water feels gradual and natural. Aim for a clean edge along the shoreline or surface boundary. To add realism, apply a touch of blur. Reflections in water rarely look razor sharp. Open SuperSharp AI, choose Motion Blur, and set it to low. This slight blur softens the reflection and introduces the subtle imperfection we expect in moving or rippled water. Finally, darken and tone the reflection so it isn't competing with the real scene. Open Develop on the reflection layer and gently lower Exposure or Contrast. Apply these adjustments with a gradient mask, so only the reflection area is affected. Pull the gradient upward from the waterline to keep the original scene crisp while the reflection stays slightly dimmer and softer. And that's it. Aligned, blended, softened, and toned for a believable reflection in Luminar NEO.